So we're gonna start by washing our rice, and we're pretty much gonna keep going until it runs clear. Clearish is cool too. I'll take clearish. We're gonna pour in our water, pop in those 2 cinnamon sticks, wrap it up. After at least 4 hours, we're gonna remove those cinnamon sticks and pour this into a blender. Make sure you put all that rice in there as well. You're gonna blend it up until the rice is sandy. Strain this through a fine mesh strainer. And make sure to scoop all that rice out because you're going to press it through the strainer to get as much liquid as possible. We're gonna add in that milk, sugar, use your desired taste, and the vanilla extract. You can store this in anything you would like to use. Ta-da!